Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, that is numbered from 21 to 50. 21 to 50 class. So class, today class we are going to study about numbers and number names from 21 to 50, before, between and after, standard and expanded form, comparing numbers, great and smallest number, greatest and smallest numbers, increasing and decreasing order class. Now class, let's start the chapter. Look at the picture and count the items class. Look at the picture class. There is a birthday party. There are how many? There are many children's, balloons, gifts, toffees, cake. Okay class, now class count them. Here's birthday caps. How many birthday caps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Birthday caps are 22. Now toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 toffees are there. Now class, children. How many children are there? How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Chocolates class. How many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now class, chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 chairs are there. Now class, balloons. How many balloons are there? Count the balloons class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many balloons are there class? 25 balloons. Understand? Now class, numbers and number names from 21 to 50. 21 to 50. Now class, numbers from 21 to 30. 20 plus 1, 21, 20 plus 1, 21, 20 plus 2, 22, that is 2 tens plus 1, 21, 2 tens plus 2 ones, 22, 20 plus 3, 23, 23, 20 plus 4, 24, 20 plus 5, 25, 20 plus 6, 26, 20 plus 7, 27, 20 plus 8, 28, 20 plus 9, 29, 20 plus 10, 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Numbers from 31 to 40. Now 30 plus 1, 31. 30 plus 2, 32. 30 plus 3, 33. 30 plus 4, 34. 30 plus 5, 35. And 30 plus 6, 36. 30 plus 7, 37. 30 plus 8, 38. 30 plus 9, 39. 30 plus 10, 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Now class, numbers from 41 to 50. Now class, 41 plus 1, 41, 40 plus 2, 42, 40 plus 1, 41, 40 plus 2, 42, 40 plus 3, 43, 40 plus 4, 44, 40 plus 5, 45, 40 plus 6, 46. Now 40 plus 7, 47, 40 plus 8, 48, 40 plus 9, 49, 40 plus 10, it is 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Now class, come on exercise 6.1. Question number 1, complete the following class. See, here is 21, 22, 23, 24 is written. 25, 26, 27 written, 28, 29 written, 30, 31 is written, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now class, question number 2, write the numbers of the following. It is 22. 22. 22. Now class, 40. 40, 40. Now class, 35. 35. 35, 35. 46. 46. 46. Rest of the parts do yourself, class. Now class, before, between and after. Look at the number 20, 21 and 22. 20, 21, 22. See class, 20 comes just before 21. 20 comes just before 21. 22 comes just after 21. Understand? And 21 comes between 20 and 22. Now class, come on exercise 6.2. Question number 1, what comes just before? Okay. Before, what comes before 23? 22. What comes before 39? It is 38. What comes before 26? It is 25. Now, before 41, 40. Rest of the parts do yourself, class. Now, question number 2. What comes just between? Between 21 and 23, it is 22. Between 41, 43, 42. Between 39, 41, 40. Of the parts do yourself, class. Now class, come on question number 3. What comes just after? 21, 22, 36, 37, 42, 43, 23, 24. Rest of the parts do yourself, class. Now class, come on standard and expanded form. Standard and expanded form. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 books are there. Now 4 books. It is 1, 4, 14. Okay. Now the number 14 can be written as follow. 14 is the call it standard form. 14, this is called its standard form. Class C, it is standard form, and 1 tens plus 4 ones, this is called its expanded form. This is called its expanded form. Now class, come on exercise 6.3. Now write in a standard form. 4 tens 3 ones, 43. 3 tens 7 ones, 37. Rest of the parts do yourself, class. Now class, comparing numbers. Class, comparing numbers, class. Now here is 46 or 39. Okay. Now class, in 2-digit numbers, we compare the 10-digit first. Compare the 10th digit first. Class, see, here is 4, here is 3. The number that has more tens is greater. जिसके पास ज्यादा tens है वो greater number है. In above two numbers 46, 39, the tens digit 4 and 3 respectively. 4 is greater than 3. That is, now it is the sign for greater than, class. ये sign होता है greater than के लिए. This sign is for smaller than or less than. Since 4 is the greater than, 46 okay is greater than 39. 4 is greater than 3. 46 is greater than 39. Understand? Now first compare the 10th digit. Class, पहले हम 10th digit को compare करेंगे. If they are same, अगर वो दोनों same है, then compare the 1st digit. Understand? Come on exercise 6.4. Intersect the sign, class. Here is 23, 33. So 2, 3. So class, 33 is greater than 23. Now class, which is less than? Tell me less than. So 34 is less than 38 And 44 or 42? 44 is greater than 42. Understand rest of the parts? Do yourself, class. Now class, greatest and smallest numbers. Greatest and smallest numbers. Yes class, the greatest and smallest are used for comparing more than two. Used for comparing more than two numbers. Class, circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number, it is 26, 22, 26, 36, 49, 34. So it is 49. Circle the smallest number is 21. Understand? Now class, increasing and decreasing order. Class, increasing order को हम ascending भी बोलते हैं और decreasing order को हम डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर भी बोलते हैं. असेंडिंग इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर को डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर we write numbers from the smallest to the largest, smallest to the greatest or largest. Example 12, 11, 13. So 11, 12, 13. Now in 23, 25, 24, 26. 23, 24, 25, 26. Understand? Now class, it is increasing or ascending order. Now in decreasing order, in decreasing or descending order, we write the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Example 11, 12, 11, 13. So 13, 12, 11 like this. Again 26, 25, 24, 23. Means हम सबसे पहले greatest number को लिखेंगे. The secret number is greater than 30 and less than 45. Encircle the secret number. Understand? Now class, the secret number is greater. Class, वो नंबर क्या हो, 30 से तो ज्यादा हो but less than और 45 से कम हो. Encircle the secret number is 39. ये 30 से तो ज्यादा है but 45 से कम है. Understand? Now class, come on exercise 6.5. Question number 1, circle the greatest number. So which is greatest digit? It is 44. Here is 50. Rest of the parts, do yourself class. Now class, come on question number 2, arrange in increasing and decreasing orders. Class C, 14, 13, 12. 14, 13, 12. Class, in increasing order, smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest, 12, 13, 14. Now in decreasing order, it is 14, greatest to smallest. 14, 13, 12. Again, in increasing order, smallest to greatest. So 17, 20, 25. Now, decreasing order, greatest to smallest. 25, 20, 19. Understand class? Rest of the part class, do yourself. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.